The F150 Air2 Ultra 5G rugged phone stands out as a beacon of innovation and style. With its cutting-edge technology, durable construction, and elegant design, it redefines what users can expect from a rugged smartphone. Dive into a world of limitless possibilities and experience excellence like never before with the IIIF150 Air2 Ultra. The Air2 Ultra offers a choice between two distinctive versions, jet black and titanium gray. Whether you prefer a bold and stealthy aesthetic or a sleek and sophisticated look, there's a variant to suit every style and preference. Underneath its stylish exterior lies a powerhouse of performance. Powered by the latest generation of technology, the Air2 Ultra ensures smooth multitasking and blazing fast connectivity with its 16GB RAM and 512GB of internal storage. Say goodbye to lag and hello to uninterrupted productivity. Keeping up with your on-the-go lifestyle, the Air2 Ultra features 65 West wired and 10 West wireless charging capabilities, ensuring that you stay powered up throughout the day. Never miss a beat, whether you're conquering the urban jungle or exploring the great outdoors. In the ever-evolving landscape of smartphones, where innovation meets functionality, the IIIF150 Air2 Ultra 5G rugged phone emerges as a pioneer. Crafted with a blend of mechanical sporty design and elegant style, this device stands as a testament to excellence. With its robust outlook and sleek demeanor, it redefines what it means to be both durable and fashionable. Measuring at 6.8 inches diagonally, the full high-definition Plus FHD Plus screen with a 120Hz refresh rate brings content to life with vibrant colors and seamless transitions. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite series or engaging in intense gaming sessions, every detail is rendered with astonishing clarity and fluidity.